Zildjian 12-inch tabletop gong and stand set. Zildjian, which translates to cymbal maker, has been producing high-performance cymbals for over 400 years. Played by the top musical acts in a variety of genres, their brand is the gold standard for cymbals and mallets. Their cymbals are carefully crafted from raw metal with a secret alloy that makes them extremely durable and warp-resistant. They are built to last and designed to inspire. While described as a 12-inch gong, it should be noted that the included stand makes it 16 inches square. It's the perfect size for a desk or table, lightweight at just under 6 pounds, and is fairly inexpensive and well-priced for the quality. The complete package includes a stand and mallet, which attaches to the frame, and while it's not the traditional deep gong sound you might be looking for, it does have a pleasing tone. Historically, gongs have been used for rituals or to announce an important arrival. This gong would be perfect for your office space, using the tones to welcome a guest or as a ritualistic start and end to a smooth day. It would also make a great adornment for the entryway of a home or the welcome area of a yoga or meditation center. And if you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a friend, the Zildjian tabletop gong is the perfect choice. Here are some pros. Easily fits on a desk or table. Comes with a stand and mallet. Loud for its small size. Great value for the price. And here are some cons. Zildjian logo is large and covers much of the cymbal. Mallet is lower quality.